How to trade crypto on KuCoin exchange. Easy tutorial for beginners. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm giving you a tutorial on how to trade crypto on KuCoin exchange. So let's get started. First, what you guys need to do is you will go to KuCoin.com and it will take you to this platform right here, which is our crypto exchange. KuCoin is world's leading crypto platform that allows us to buy and sell crypto. We will be able to find our marketplace, trade crypto with this exchange, earn, and there is also an NFT marketplace. To get started with KuCoin, you first require an account. So you can actually sign up with your Google account. All you need to do is just enter your email address, set up a password, and you will get an account for free with KuCoin. I have logged into my KuCoin account, and this is where we will get, even after the initial sign up, this is the dashboard that you will be getting. You can see we have buy crypto option, we have the markets, trade, derivatives, earn, NFT, wallet. So I'll show you how we can trade with KuCoin exchange. So for that, we're going to go to the trade here. We have spot trading, margin trading, trading boat, and convert. Using these different, trading options is quite similar. We have the same layout of the chart, and I'll show you how we can use these trading options. We can also explore the marketplace. First, the marketplace on KuCoin is huge, and you will be able to find all of the coins, all of the pairs that you're looking for right here. So I'm going to switch to the spot right here so that we can select our coin first, our pair first, and we can just simply open up our spot trading. You can see, you can first explore. It will show you the marketplace, and it's huge. You can see all of the different pairs are available here, and you will select the product you want to go for. This is the last price, 24-hour change, 24-hour low, 24-hour high, then we have amount and operations. So we can either go to the spot trading directly, or you can select the product first and click on the trade option. So what I'm going to do is I'm going with Ethereum BTC right here, and I'm going to click on trade. Before we continue, I just want to clarify that this video is not a financial advice, and I am not a financial advisor. Trading in crypto involves a high degree of risk, or whether you afford to lose money or not. So make sure that you truly understand crypto, you know how to do the trading, you have all the information, then you can get started. This is a beginner's tutorial for the exchange KuCoin and what are the different options you will be getting for the trading. That being said, let's continue. Once you open up your trading, this is the spot trading, and this is the window where you will get. It looks a little complicated, so let me actually show you around so that you will get familiar. First of all, you can see this is the product that we selected, and we can actually switch between different pairs anytime we want. First, select the market. For example, we have different blockchains, so we have like DeFi, NFT, Metaverse. I have selected Ethereum and BTC right here. Again, I'm not suggesting to go for any of the coins or pairs. This is the live price, which is updating every second. We have 24-hour high, 24-hour low, 24-hour amount, and 24-hour volume. We can also take a tour around if we want to, and then we have like our market alerts, we have day, and then we have our different assets. Here I will be able to see the different assets that I have, and I will get my trading account here. Moving on, again, you will just select your, pairs. I have selected this one. And this is our trading chart. We have a lot of different options and tools here. In our chart, we will be able to see our graph right here, and we can select auto or log from here. So you can switch to the log, or you can go with the auto. Then again, with every point, you will be able to see the 24-hour high, 24-hour low, the, amount, volume, everything. And you can kind of like get an idea what's happening to your pair throughout the day, or you can select your time zone from, time period from here. We have 5 minutes, 15 minutes, 30 minutes, 1 hour, week, whatever you want to go for. I kind of like go with the daily view. We can also expand this window, this screen. We can take a snapshot. We can also switch to our depth mode, and we also have indicators. Here, this side of the screen, you will be able to find tools such as the forex, the markets, text, and we have scales, zoom in, zoom out. So you can just use these tools to kind of like mark your different points on your, trading chart right here. This is the actually trading view. Then we have our order book. Here in order book, we have the prices for BTC and ETH. You can see we have like the one I have selected. You can see this is the order book, and this is going to be the recent trades and depth market. If I scroll down, this is where we work, and you can see we have spot and isolated margin. This is where you will actually trade, you will actually buy your coins and pairs. Right here with this option, we have this history for the orders, advanced orders, trade history, everything. So once you have selected the pair, let's say you selected the pair, you have kind of like checked everything, and you're actually ready to order. For that, you're going to select spot, then you're going to select limit, market, stop limit, and then we have stop market OCO. I'm going with limit. Then we have to enter the price of BTC and the amount in Ethereum. Again, it depends on the pair that you have selected, the product that you have selected. I'm going to go ahead and enter the price here. For example, one BTC is going to be $19,000 at the time of making this video. Then we have amount in ETH. So amount in ETH is going to be, let's say we have like 200 or we have like 20. So you can see like the percentage 25%, 50%, 75%, 100% available, balance, volume, advanced. Then again, we have price in BTC and amount in Ethereum. You will select this, and this is going to be again the advanced. In advanced settings, click on these settings, and you will be able to see some of the advanced settings for the trading. Once you're done, all you need to do is just click on trading, like click on continue, and you will be able to trade with this product that you have selected. Similarly, I can select the margin from here. We have isolated margin, and we also have futures here. So with margin, what we will do is we can actually switch to the margin trading now. So I will take you to the main dashboard of KuCoin. In trading, you can see we have margin trading right here. So I'm going to select it. With the margin trading, again, you will select the product first, your pair. Once you have selected it, then this is our window. The chart right here is quite similar to what we did in our spot trading. We again have all of the different tools. We have our order book. We have our, recent trades in depth market. We have the chart right here. Scroll down, and here we have a cross margin, and then we have futures. So what you can do is you can enable this option on your KuCoin, which is the margin trading. So again, it will show you the live price for your, pair. Then we have 24-hour high, 24-hour low, the chart, and this is where you will be working. Similarly, we have another option on KuCoin for trading, which is the bot trading option. So you can go to the trade, and the third option is trading bot, which is the earn passive profit without monitoring the market. In our trading bots, what we can do is we can automate our trading by creating bots. For example, buy at low prices and sell at high prices. I will just add all of the parameters to my bot right here. Then a robot will do the trading for me. I don't have to monitor everything every second, and I will just sit back and relax. This helps us save our time and automate our trading process. So the trading bots are also available on KuCoin.com. So yeah, guys, these are the trading options we get with our KuCoin exchange. You can go ahead and check it out right now, KuCoin.com, and then under trading, you will find spot trading, margin trading, and trading bots to get started. I hope that I was a big help. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to YouTube channel.